Hey everyone, Billy Doll here, and welcome to this quick video where I want to show you a demonstration of how the auto traffic machine actually works. Okay, so firstly, the auto traffic machine software is quite simply a software that allows your customers to not only syndicate videos and share videos across social media sites that they already have created, maybe using Camtasia or using a webcam or using their phone. But if they also want to create a video with images and audio, then the software allows them to create a simple little video using the actual software with images, with audio, and so on, and then share that video across different video sites and social sites, which we've added into the software. So it's very simple. They'll come to campaigns, new campaign. They can enter the campaign name, title, description, keywords, as well as a video file if they've already created something. Or if they want to create a file, if they want to create a video with the actual software, they can do that too. It creates image to videos, and as well as that, you've got the different video sharing sites, you've got the different social media sites. So not only does it upload it to video sites, but then it takes the links of those video sites and then shares them further. As you can see, we've added in some more social sites here. And then you've got the training at the bottom here. So it's very simple little software. It works very well for things such as launch jacking, and promoting affiliate products. So if you have any questions, if you want review access, let me know. Contact me on Facebook, and I'll be more than happy to hook you up with an account, so you can have a play around with it. And I look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard come the 9th of May at 11 a.m. Eastern. Speak to you soon.